Hey guys, so I have some fun flat silhouette projects in my store. And so I thought I'd show you how to do a heat transfer. This is so simple. So all you're going to do is cut it out on your machine. I always do a mirror, and then you're gonna pull away everything, which is pretty fast and simple. And then you are just going to lay this down on a ironing mat. And I always lay a piece of cloth or a towel or something over it, and then I press for a little while. And then you're just gonna pull it off, and you get this darling fun piece. And this is a little canvas bag. And that's it. Okay, if you are not signed up for my Silhouette VIP, you need to. It's totally free. I send a free file every single Tuesday to you guys so that you have something to cut and something to make.